Alright, everyone, let's start our learning journey. Today, we're tackling Task 5. Efficient maintenance of the automatic sprinkler system. From our previous lessons, we know that the wet pipe automatic sprinkler system is one of the most widely used fire suppression systems. As fire protection engineers, it's crucial to have the maintenance skills to ensure these systems are always operational. One key component to focus on is the wet alarm valve assembly. You all watched an animated video explaining the working principle of the wet alarm valve assembly before this lesson. Can anyone recall what this component is?
The pressure switch.
Excellent. Who can explain the function of the pressure switch? Romfei, go ahead.
The pressure switch has two functions. Firstly, it transmits alarm signals to the monitoring center, and secondly, it directly controls the start of the fire pump.
Correct. These two functions ensure continuous water supply for firefighting during a fire, safeguarding lives and property. The pressure switch plays a vital role. This lesson focuses on quick inspection and repair of the pressure switch to ensure it functions correctly. I've prepared an animated video on the working principle of the pressure switch. Let's watch it together.
What we see now is a disassembled pressure switch from an alarm valve. Let's explore its internal structure and working principle. The internal components include two sets of normally open contacts, two sensitive switches, two spring plates, and a movable contact. Let's see how it works. When the pressure from the alarm valve activates the pressure switch, the white movable contact is pushed up by the water pressure. This action presses the spring plates upward, causing the sensitive switches to move. As a result, the normally open contacts are closed. One set of switch signals is sent to the input module, converting the water pressure signal to an electrical signal and sending an alarm to the fire alarm control panel. Another set of switch signals is sent to the pump control cabinet, directly triggering the fire pump.
This concludes the working principle of the pressure switch on the alarm valve assembly. Please familiarize yourself with this principle and apply it in your work. The focus is on how it transmits signals. Let me demonstrate. When the movable contact is pushed up, what happens to the normally open contacts?
They close.
The signal is then transmitted to the input module and relayed to the monitoring host. That's all for the introduction to the pressure switch's working principle. Given the importance of the pressure switch, it must be repaired immediately if it malfunctions. In real life, there's a team that can quickly troubleshoot pressure switch faults. Today, we're fortunate to have Mr. Gon, a corporate mentor, here with us. Let's welcome him with applause. Mr. Gon is a national technical expert who won third place in the National Fire and Rescue Professional Skills Competition for his precise operation and quick troubleshooting. I hope all of you will follow Manager Gon's example. Work hard, study diligently, and strive for excellence. Today, Mr. Gon has a task for you. Mr. Gon, please explain the task requirements.
Hello, everyone. The fire control room received an alarm indicating a pressure switch supervisory alarm. We immediately sent personnel to the scene, but no issue was detected on site. This is called a false alarm. To avoid wasting resources and ensure timely maintenance, we must quickly identify the cause of the false alarm. Your task is to analyze the reasons for the pressure switch false alarm. This is a typical task in our daily work, and is also part of the National Fire and Rescue Professional Skills Competition for Wet Pipe Automatic Sprinkler System Component Replacement and Fault Repair. Based on the principle of how the pressure switch triggers an alarm, work with your group members to discuss and analyze the reasons for the false alarms of the pressure switch. You have 30 seconds.
Time's up. What are your thoughts? Sujoni, please.
We believe the false alarm is due to fluctuations in the system's water pressure, causing the pressure switch to activate.
Heji Sheng, please.
We think it might be a short circuit in the pressure switch's wiring or an error in the pressure switch's output.
Good. Sit down. They both provided valuable insights. Let's delve into it together. For a proper signal, the movable contact must be pushed up, closing the normally open contacts. Could pressure fluctuations cause this signal? Could the wiring, which is manually connected, become loose or short-circuited? Your analysis should align with the working principle. Mr. Gon has summarized 3 causes based on his experience. Let's see if they match your ideas.
Firstly, a fault in the pressure switch or pressure fluctuations. Secondly, a short circuit due to loose connections. Thirdly, a short circuit in the input module causing a fault alarm signal.